is going on, everybody? I'm just going to go over a quick, awesome video. So, a company reached out to me called THINKCAR, and this is their scanner, the 689BT for Bluetooth. I'm going to show you guys how awesome this thing is. This is a one and done diagnostic tool. I'll open everything up. Full disclosure, it has every vehicle on here. So I just had to go in and do the hard work and just download all the updates so we aren't sitting here, because this does have a few software updates, and all the vehicles and models and the manuals and everything have to be downloaded and updated to today's or your current date whenever you're watching this. So let's open this thing up and just show you how cool this thing is. All right, so it does come with a really neat travel case here, so you can stow this away in your car. The glove box is big enough, throw it in there. Super convenient. It does have a data cable here for plugging in to your computer for full diagnostics. This is their quick start manual. Everything is super straightforward, visuals, the whole 9 yards, and a quick packaging list here for that of the rest of the contents in here. So you have a chassis cable, charging cable, the network cable, the actual module that plugs in, and the 3-in-1. So UK people, all your plug adapters are in there too. And this is the device itself. I love that it has an actual kickstand, so you can set it down. You're not stuck holding it. Sometimes you can hook this over the steering wheel. Really cool magnetic Bluetooth OBD port there. Got your charging port, your USB or data transfer cable slot, and I think that's it. Power button's up top right here. I went ahead and charged this and connected to the Wi-Fi like I said earlier, but this is your main screen. It's as simple as plugging it in, hit the auto search button, and it finds your vehicle for you. You can manually put it in if it for whatever reason doesn't, but this is your main dashboard. You diagnose this right here for quick access. This is your OBD section here. You go through here, you look at your histories, so on and so forth. So many features. There's a community feature, feedback if you're having troubles. Even this little chat window here that you can move around is for online service, and it helps you, puts a ticket. So if you need instant support, the main thing with this is just, it's so cool is that it is lifetime updates. So a lot of these tablet scanners you're seeing on the market right now have subscriptions, and you have to pay yearly or monthly, whatever the case may be. This is a one and done, which is why I wanted to work with them with the channel, because I work on so many cars off the camera that's not a race car or a street car, just daily drivers, family vehicles, friends, stuff like that. And 9 times out of 10, check engine light comes on, they want to know what's going on so we can fix it, right? And before I was using the simple handheld plug-in ones you get off Amazon. This is way more than that. It can actually go over to the side menu here. It'll tell you everything as far as maintenance, diagnostics in the past, your maintenance software updates, your application software, all the details are in here. If you do have an issue with diagnostics, it'll give you the actual possibilities that could cause the codes that you're seeing on the cars, stuff like that. So really, really cool. This is for upgrading the softwares, and then even more settings, instructions, fault code library. So if you want to look at the actual codes themselves, you can download the full entire diagnostics and then come back, in the AC of your shop or home and look over everything. There's even a online Google Chrome, and I haven't really played with this that much, but you can get in here. Let's see. There's just so many features. It's insane. There is a way you can get technical support remotely. Right here, Gadget. So here under Gadget, you can enter Google Chrome. And so if you want to watch a video on how to fix what you just found, boom. Go to YouTube. Do your YouTube mechanic certified special right there. And then you can swipe from the top here. There you go. You can change your volume. It does have a little speaker in here. It's not the best speaker, but it does have one. Has a camera. Oh, it does have a camera? Oh, no, it has a screen record. I'm sorry. Screen record feature. That's cool. I didn't see that. You swipe to the left to go back a screen. Same thing. And there we go, back to our main screen. So super, super, super cool. These are all the vehicles that are covered. I mean, vehicles I've never even heard of before, literally in the whole world. So if your vehicle's not in here, it's probably a custom kit car or something. Let's see. I think that's the main part of it. There's way more I'm not covering in here. I just know I'm just not going to be able to do it all. So the actual main features for maintenance and stuff is going to be under here. Everything you can think of. So ECUs, resets, to key learning, to changing the tire. So if you change a tire size, that's common down in the south. Everyone has a truck. They want to do a tire size adjustment. You can do that. Key matching. Not all keys are supported. I already tried this on a Volvo and its specific program. So most keys, I would say, you can program. And injector coding, I mean, crazy stuff, right? Oil reset, OD reset. Yeah, that's an option apparently. Seat calibration, that's wild. Rain light sensors, I mean, you see it. Turbocharger matching, sure. Really, really cool stuff. So high tech. TPMS reset, that's a big one too. Connects to your car. I have one of my work trucks out here. I will plug into it and just show you the process of how it hooks up. It really is super easy. And then we'll probably wrap everything up. But thank you so much. You guys, obviously the link will be in the description. ThinkCAR 689BT, last scan tool you should ever need. Lifetime updates, customer support, comes with a 1-year warranty. Like I said, first link down below. The other cords and everything, like I said, are in here. Adapters, your charging cord, splitter. I mean, it's all in one case too. So the charge does last a while too, I will say. But let's plug this up and show you just how easy this thing is. All right, so out here at the vehicle here, got the truck. Grab your magnetic OBD scanner off the back there. Plug it into your port. It's going to turn green and blue when it connects. Right now it's like a teal color. It's intermittent. Come over here, main menu, and hit auto connect. Turn your car on. And that way you can read it. It'll scan, make a couple beeps. This will turn to a blue color, like you can see, as it's connecting. Now this one says Toyota, right there, 2017, that's it. And this is real time, so you can see how fast it picks up on this. Now you can do several different things here. You can look at diagnostic histories, help from the menu, service function, manual selection. I just do automatic search every time. You can set your area. I would just do automatic search, I guess Europe or other if that's applicable. Here in the States, all that issue. And I'm just going to give it a minute just to find the rest of the details of the vehicle. This one is a Tundra. And let's see here. This is going to be 2017. Yeah, right here, 2017. It's probably because I hit the Europe thing instead of just hitting the other one. All right, so there's our details of the vehicle. All right, just a quick notice here. Aftermarket parts installed, remove those parts. Okay, we don't have any of that, it's completely stock. And it's going to load in that data. Now I am connected to the Wi-Fi here from the garage, so I'm out in the driveway now. But so you come down here, I always just do the either system scan or smart scan. Smart scan just looks for your issues. So I'll let it do that, run through its thing. Sometimes it takes a few seconds here, but this is going to pull all the little issues here, which I don't have the check engine light on, but this is looking way farther than just a check engine light. This is looking for nitty gritty issues it's had, a single little glitch in the ECU or electrical or any little blips it's had in the past. It holds on to those in the system just on the back end. So this one right here, rough idling, never had a rough idle. I don't know how old that is. And then the inlet damper control servo motor, my AC works great. So no idea. I've never scanned this truck before. So there we go. There's two DTCs. Look at the history here. And this is what I was trying to explain in the inside of the garage there. This gives you a full breakdown of what this code is and every detail. And then from there, if you wanted to pull up YouTube and see how to fix it, you could do that pretty easy. And what I like about this being Bluetooth is that I can sit in another vehicle or another shop or something in the AC, not too terribly far away. This doesn't have a huge range, but you don't have to sit in the baking sun out in the car with the car off and look at your diagnostics. So this kind of gives you a breakdown, like I said, of everything right here. Is it just put it all in, the definition of the code, the symptoms, inspections, everything, what to test, repair guides, and recommend steps. So really cool there. You can even hit this button right here for Google search or get in touch with an assistant. The customer service is awesome. There you go. That's pretty easy. I'm not going to worry about it because I know it's fine. I just think that's an old code. Same thing with the whatever rough idle that was. I don't have that issue. So there you go. If you guys want this, like I said, the details down below in the description. Thank y'all so much. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.